So yeah, this is the Motomaster Eliminator 3-ton off-road jack. I picked this up off from Canadian Tire, and yeah, I saw this on my buddy's story off-grid adventures. I'll probably just tag it down here, but yeah. So just moving the boxes off with the jack inside of it. It's a very heavy jack. But as you can see that there is a skid plate for this jack, and that the jack's like material is very thick, and honestly it feels like one of my 5-ton jacks that I have at home. So right now I'm just playing around with the jack, just trying to see how everything works. As you can see here, I took out the original base plate, the low profile one, and putting on the extended base that can also extend another couple inches if needed. So this is the main pole or main handle where that you just to like pump the jack up. As you can see here, I'm having a little trouble because there's a small block that's preventing me from lifting or like pumping the jack. It took me a couple minutes to figure out how to do it, but eventually I got it. So this is how you lock the base. I don't know if you can see that, but there is one hole. You pull this pin back and twist it until you hear a click. So yeah, here's a close-up of the jack. You can see how thick the walls and material is on the jack. Nice thick rubber wheels as well. And yeah, like I said, this thing is heavy, and yeah. So this is just the end of the video. I don't know what to really say, but I just edited my Vancouver International Auto Show and realized that I did not record a outro. But yeah, see you guys on the next video.